Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can uninstall Google Chrome in your Windows 11. So, if you want to uninstall Google Chrome, first go to your settings. Now, once you are in your system settings, you need to click on this particular tab, which is Apps. Click on the Apps tab and you can see the Installed Apps button. Simply click on the Installed Apps. Now, from here, you can either find the Google Chrome like this, or if you have multiple apps, then you can simply search it in the search bar like this. Now, once you find Google Chrome, all you need to do is simply click on these particular dots right here. Once you do, you will see the uninstall option. Simply click on this uninstall option. Now, it will give you a confirmation that this app will be uninstalled and all its related info will be uninstalled as well. Simply click on the uninstall button to proceed. Once you do, you will get a notification or a prompt to asking for password, but that may not be the case in your system. If it is, simply put up your administrative password and click on the yes button. Then the Google Chrome uninstaller window will open, and here you can see the option to also delete your browsing data. If you want to, you may click on this particular check mark as well. Or if not, you may proceed to click on the uninstall button. Once you do, the uninstalling process will start, and it might take a little while. Now here you can see that Chrome has disappeared from this particular list, and while searching for Chrome, it is not appearing anymore. Even in the list, you can't see Chrome anymore. So here you have successfully uninstalled Chrome, and you have also got a confirmation on Microsoft Edge. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.